Hey guys, welcome back. Saludos a todos. Voy a jugar con la paleta de Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to be playing with Jaclyn Hill's palette called Ring the Alarm. I'm going to be starting off with my eye primer first, and from there I'm going to then apply the eyeshadows that I'm going to be working with. So last time I played with her palette, it was called, Bling Bliss. Esa era la paleta that I was working on last time. Y ahora voy a usar Ring the Alarm. It has some warm shades. Oh my god, it's so
Okay,
cool.
to speed up the process, I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover. So I'm using 24-hour eye base all over my eyelid, using a flat brush, and the colors that I'm going to be using from Jaclyn Hill. First, I'm going to use Rush on the crease, blend that out with a 224 brush. There's a little bit of fallout, which is normal, it's typical when it's highly pigmented. Then on the lid, I'm going to be using a flat brush, using Framed and Secret together. I love a smoky eye, so I'm going to be using both of those shades to do a smoky eye. Then blending it out with a 224 brush, blend, blend, blend. Then a 219 pencil brush to put on Feline. I forgot to sharpen it and I couldn't find my sharpener. Using a wipe to take off extra excess, then blending with the 219 brush on the lid. So that way the smoky eye blends in with the eyeliner. Going back with the 224 brush to blend. Then I'm going to use Lolly on the center of my eyelid to give a spotlight effect in the smoky eye. Using Brule eyeshadow from MAC. Then a 252 brush. Curling my lashes. And the foundations, brows. I'm using Ebony Brown and the waterproof brow set. Then I'm going to be mixing my foundations with my skincare, and I am double spectrum, so I have both spectrums from warm and cool. That's why I kind of look a little bit yellow. You're going to do a little bit of Fix Plus, blend it out with a 187 brush to get off the extra excess. Going back with a 140S brush to kind of blend out, and using the powder and Studio Fix powder to set my foundation, and using the Blot powder in medium dark to bake or set, and using Faux in Extreme Dimension blush, soft and gentle highlight, curling my lashes, using in Extreme Dimension waterproof to curl my lashes, and then the extended play Perm Me Up lash. Dab a little bit of lipstick, which is the butter, and a bit of honey from NYX, and go for gold the Dazzleglass on top, and there you go. Hope you enjoy. Hit like and subscribe and the notifications button. Until then.